Hello. For this video, we're going to talk about daily routines. So let's go right into it. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Get up. I get up and make my bed. Make my bed. I make my bed every morning. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth after waking up. Wash my face. I wash my face in the morning. Take a shower. I take a shower every day. Get dressed. I get dressed for school. Comb my hair. I comb my hair before leaving home. Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. Drink coffee. I drink coffee in the morning. Go to school. I go to school at 8 a.m. Go to work. I go to work by bus. Take the bus. I take the bus to work. Drive to work. I drive to work every day. Start work. I start work at 9 a.m. Attend classes. I attend classes in the morning. Study English. I study English every day. Read a book. I read a book in my free time. Check my emails. I check my emails at work. Have a snack. I have a snack at 10 a.m. Have lunch. I have lunch at noon. Talk to friends. I talk to my friends during lunch. Return to work. I return to work after lunch. Finish work. I finish work at 5 p.m. Go home. I go home after work. Exercise. I exercise in the evening. Go to the gym. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Walk the dog. I walk the dog after work. Go shopping. I go shopping on my way home. Cook dinner. I cook dinner for my family. Have dinner. I have dinner at 7 p.m. Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes after dinner. Do homework. I do my homework in the evening. Spend time with family. I spend time with my family every night. Play with my children. I play with my children after dinner. Listen to music. I listen to music before bed. Watch TV. I watch TV in the evening. Use my phone. I use my phone before going to bed. Pray. I pray before going to sleep. Put on pajamas. I put on my pajamas at night. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Do the laundry. I do the laundry on Saturday. Hang the clothes. I hang the clothes outside. Iron the clothes. I iron my clothes on Sunday. Wash the car. I wash the car on Saturday. Take pictures. I take pictures during my trips. Play the guitar. I play the guitar every evening. Water the plants. I water the plants every morning. Go for a walk. I go for a walk after dinner. Fold the laundry. I fold the laundry after it dries. Feed the dog. I feed the dog every morning. Take a taxi. I take a taxi when I'm late. Paint a picture. I paint a picture in art class. Have a break or take a break. I take a break at work. Take out the rubbish or trash. I take out the rubbish every night. Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor after dinner. Rake the leaves. I rake the leaves in the garden. Clean the window. I clean the window once a month. Cut the grass. I cut the grass on weekends. Paint the house. I paint the house during my vacation.